I have got a parcel. Let's rip it open. It's very heavy, this one. Oh, this is the Hair Saviours mask. Cool, something we really need at this time of the year, isn't it? With the weather the way it is right now. Honestly, look at it. It is a weighty piece, so let's take a little look inside. If you, like me, and you need a lot of help with your hair, I've got very fine hair. It's partly bleached, partly natural, and the weather plays havoc with it. So if this is the hair surprise, let's have a look and see what's in here. Let me move it to the side. Are we ready? Right, so I've got a leaflet. Has it got prices in it or anything? Let's have a jolly good look, shall we? Doesn't come with the prices on it, but I'm sure they are going to be amazing. So the first thing I'm going to pick up is this one, and it's the Daily Concepts hair towel, yellow one, microfiber. We all know that this microfiber is much better for your hair when it's wet than a towel. Beautiful yellow colour, lemon, lovely lemon, fresh lemon colour. Soak up all that moisture, no rubbing involved. Monday Hair Care Deep Moisture Hair Mask for dry, damaged hair. It's got keratin to bring back strength and shine. So I think that's this one. I haven't used this before either. I've seen some similar, not the real thing, but look at it. What a lovely box. Oh, I see. So you just pull that off, look, and you get your good old, you get your fingers in and you get it on that hair. Cannot wait to be using that one. This is Percy and Reed, love Percy and Reed, volumizing no oil. So it's a serum, weightless body and a glossy finish. It's Fine Hair Secret apparently, with wheat protein and violet leaf, building body and hold at the root for fuller frizz-free hair that doesn't weigh itself down. That's what my hair needs. Excuse my hands, I've been crafting today, so I've got bits of glitter and glue all over me. So very welcome hair wash tonight. What's this one? This is by Grum. Harvest Hair Density Serum. Density goals unlocked. This targeted leave-in serum gets straight to work on the scalp, building thicker, fuller and healthy looking hair from the root up. My gosh, it's almost as if this has been made for me. It's been designed to support the scalp as well, leaving you with thicker, denser, fuller and healthier looking hair. It goes on to either damp or dry hair. So, win-win there, isn't it? Glasses slip down my face because I'm so hot. Oh, Fable and Mane, I love them. Fable and Mane moisturising volume spray. So it's a spray hydrant volumizer thing. Strengthen and plumping strands with onion and apple. How weird is that? Let's have a little sniff. Oh gosh, it smells gorgeous. No compromise, heat protection up to 450 degrees, meets long-lasting volume and a dreamy scent of jasmine and sandalwood, and that does not disappoint. Perfect little handbag, a little handbag travel size of the Batiste Original Dry Shampoo. Perfect for all of us. This is the UK Lash Eyelash Serum, which I'm using right now anyway, but that's a smaller size. Pop it in with your little travel goods, in your handbag. Fantastic. Longer lashes in 25 days. This award-winning serum nourishes and stimulates hair growth, healthier looking lashes, and I can vouch for that because my eyelashes, they're not the best. They, well, haven't been the best for years on end, really. But they are growing back, and I can see that I've actually got lashes now, and they're darker and they feel healthier, and I can see that I have lashes, especially when I put on mascara now. Full gloss and shine, a styling cream. which is this one here, guys. And it says, frizz didn't stand a chance. This lightweight shine cream hydrates, tames and polishes for a salon-worthy finish without ever leaving the house. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. Perfectil Platinum Collagen Hair Nourishment and Protection. 7,000 milligram marine collagen, keratin, isotyl blackcurrant seed oil. What to do with this then? Oh, okay. It's a drink. Drink 1 bottle, 50 ml per day. Take after your main meal. Shake well before use. Do not exceed the recommended intake. This product may be used for as long as required and as an intake as recommended. Collagen peptides of the marine source, keratin, inositol, loads of things, blackcurrant seed oil, beta-carotene, vitamin D, folic acid, vitamin B12, biotin, pantothenic acid, iron, zinc, copper, selenium, and it goes on and on and on. What do they look like? Let's have a look, shall we? Okay, so that's it. So you drink that every day. Gosh, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, you've got 10 days worth there. That I will be able to tell if I like it by then. Pretty, isn't it? Look at that hair clip. Right, that's a pretty one. Pretty hair clip there. What's this? Beautifies hair, skin and nails. Coenzyme, resveratrol, vitamin E, zinc, vitamin C, selenium, mango powder, sugar-free vegan and recyclable package. 1 gummy daily, preferably in the morning, for adults only. I'm going to have one now. Should we have a look and see what they're like? Oh, they're all in here like in their own little individual wrappers. Look. They're like little sweeties in a packet. Let's taste one. Oh my goodness, that's delicious. I could sit and eat the whole lot. Obviously I wouldn't, but I could. I'm nearly at the end now. 3 more products to go. This one is by Naughty, and it's a scalp massager. Happy scalp, happy hair. This bamboo and silicone brush exfoliates dead skin cells and makes sure every drop of product goes exactly where it needs to. Look at that. Feels really comfy on your fingers like that. It means you're just like, oh, when you do your hair. Oh, and I put all these masks on and shampoos and everything else. Just massage it into the scalp with this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, my lovelies. It's like Christmas. Then this is a big one, isn't it? A cream cleanse, hair by Sam Knight. I've got a feeling this is mega expensive. A cleaning conditioner. That sounds weird, doesn't it? So it's a non-foaming cleansing conditioner, gently cleanses and rehydrates bleached, fragile or brittle hair. Perfect for waves, curls or coils. Enriched with frizz-taming jackfruit extract. Put a generous amount on the scalp and the hair, rinse and repeat, and that's all you do. That is a lot. You've got 250 ml in there, and I'm pretty sure this is a really expensive range, but I will share that, as I said, with you. Last but not least, it's the KMS Moist Repair Revival Creme Revitalise, which is this one here, guys. And that says detangling just got a whole lot easier, lightweight moisture that strengthens, protects and reduces breakage by up to 99% in one effortless step. What does it say? It's got cactus in it, that one. Wow, what a box. What a box. Cannot believe what you've got. There is so much in here. So much. Look at it. Oh, hold on. Look, it's crammed. It weighs a ton. It is so heavy. You won't believe the price. I'll write it on the screen, let you know what it was. Check out the basket down below. Go over and have a look. Oh my goodness me. I'm shook. I'm absolutely shook. Don't walk, my loves. Run.